Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, I'm Abhinav.
I'm Siddharth. Our channel, Born Foodies, is all about food challenges.
Without any further ado, let's get started. So as you guys can see, you might be wondering what challenge it is. So now you can see, right? We are doing Pani Puri challenge.
Yeah.
We have taken 150 Pani Puri. Each of us will be having 75 Pani Puri, and now we'll be serving the chole into the Pani Puri.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll serve it at the first, and then
We'll-
we'll eat. We'll start eating then. So everything is set up now. So now the only thing left is to eat and defeat Siddharth.
All the best again.
Thank you. As
Yeah,
usual,
regular
he
tradition.
will wish me, I will win. Okay then,
Let's start.
shall we start?
Let's start.
We'll start in 3, 2, 1. I don't know about the count, but the taste is like awesome, right?
Taste is next level. See, you completed plate up. Oh my god. Bro.
My tongue became numb.
Hmm. Shit, man.
Let's see if I can complete before 9.
Let's see if I can at least complete. Bro, I'm sweating, bro.
Same. It's almost last 10 seconds. I mean, for my target.
If you're not reaching a target, you lose.
No.
Yes. I think Kaiku bowler at 9 minutes.
I wanted to, I put the target for myself.
So punishment na, you will take itna part because you didn't keep up with the target. Yes, go. Adhe.
Right? I have 2 more left. Try to, I mean, win.
Shit.
I told you in the beginning only.
I lost, eh? No use of telling any dialogues now. Okay, now maybe.
Nine minutes 57 seconds. Before 10 seconds. I mean 10 minutes. Eat it fast. You drive for 12 minutes.
Then you should.
Okay,
No,
before
punishment.
12 minutes.
Before the 10 minutes?
No, 12 minutes. Before 12 minutes. My god, he's eating like a monster. Come on. You have to chew it and swallow it also.
Arre,
Right, then?
not even possible, bro. This thing will not even get over in 20 seconds.
Take more 30 seconds.
1 minute, bro. 13, I'll complete. I'll chew everything also.
I think we can try 100 also. I mean, each of us 100.
Mm.
Maybe next time sometime we'll do.
Mm.
I hope it is recording, right? If it is not recording, I can't read.
Hope it's not recording.
Hope it's recording. 14 minutes are done. Complete before 15 minutes.
And then?
Then nothing. Then I mean, it will be nice to tell that you completed before 15 minutes.
I'll not try. I don't want it nice.
It will be It crossed 15 also.
Don't taunt me.
Oh my god.
Next time.
The taste was awesome.
Mm-hmm.
I enjoyed this challenge.
I enjoy challenge, but I don't know future क्या future में क्या होगा.
Stop it as you're done.
Mm.
No, after eating, chew it first. And show.
Over. Mm.
16 minutes.
Mm.
Ah.
Record.
Record. 16 minutes is record.
My
You took 6 minutes more than me. I took 6 minutes more than me.
Abbe, you completed 12th minute.
I completed 10th minute. There is recording also. You don't need to, talk in air. We have recording. We have proof.
It's number.
I told you, no? Now my tongue is fine.
I just completed.
Mm.
It will take 6 minutes, I guess.
Like, wow, everything
Oh,
fits in
shit.
stomach.
Stomach.
I am the winner. Loser. Like always. Arey, we'll put a tag here for you. Loser बोल के. Huh? What do you say? What do you guys say? Comment down below.
Comment.
Give a cute and loser nickname for Siddharth.
अरे 4-1 वाले सिर्फ 4-1 वाले. Let's cross.
I have
10
4
challenges
victories.
ना. 10 challenges में
Only one victory. That too because of luck.
Uh-huh.
That too because of luck.
Last challenge में one.
Arey, we'll put the channel name as Loser Siddharth, Winner Abhinav.
Uh-huh.
How is it?
You'll see na.
I think that is better, no?
Next. You jump रे. Igro.
So you might have seen the clips of grinding the, what do we call
Bitter
this?
gourd.
Bitter gourd. Now Siddharth is going to take bitter gourd with pani puri. I mean just the puri. There is no pani. Instead of pani we are using bitter gourd juice. Karela.
Yeah.
Mm.
Sweet में sauce का shit. Bro,
Okay,
come
okay.
on.
Okay. Eat it soon or else it will get wet.
Okay.
Eat it. Everything is going down.
No, nothing is going. See.
Eat it soon. It is like grass. Drink it soon. I mean, eat it soon. I'm waiting. Everything is coming down. Eat it soon.
Nothing is going.
Swallow it. Don't. That's all. It's okay. It's okay.
Fast eating challenges you're winning, bro. Next time say we're not having fast eating.
Anyway, you guys might be knowing who will be the winner. Yeah, as I told, give him a nickname.
नहीं. Sometimes it happens, right? See. What should I talk about? Last time
wanted
also
to
I
tell
talked.
something?
I'll tell every time I lose, na. So this time I'll not talk.
So if you guys like the video and if you had the craving of eating pani puri, definitely like, share and subscribe.
We try to upload a video once in a week, so hit the bell icon to get notified. Thanks for watching, guys.
So see you
next
again.
time.
Bye.